This is Colorama in 200 seconds. So let's get started. So to get started, you're going to want to install the Colorama library. So to do that, you want to enter the command in your command terminal down at the bottom of your VS Code terminal and do pip install Colorama or pip3 install Colorama. So after you've done that, you want to go to a new file and do from Colorama import for, back. So what that'll do is it'll take for and back from the Colorama library, and then the next thing to use Colorama is print and whatever you want to do. So let's say hello world, and let's put that in blue. So how you want to put the text in blue is you want to do for as in foreground and then dot blue and then comma. And if you run that down here, it'll say hello world in blue. Now the next, you can print hello world and the back dot blue. So if you run that, it'll have the background is blue and the foreground is blue on their respective hello world. Now the next thing you can do with this is you can have blue on green. So it would be foreground dot blue and then comma back dot green comma. So if you run that now, it'll say blue on green. So it's blue text on top of a green background. And there is a list of colors you can use for Colorama. Now one thing you need to make sure of is that if you print something in a normal background, like hello, and don't add anything, it'll say hello in the green background you set earlier. Back.d black, and then if you run that now, it'll set the back to black. And that's it for this tutorial, and if you want more tutorials, suggest libraries in the comments.